come inside?
This is a question to be asked.
What should I do? I'm not used to it to forcefully make room in other people's home.
Please come inside.
Can I sit here?
There is nothing to ask in this too, Azra.
Maybe I can't afford to sit here. Everything connected to you become a burden on me.
Please sit down.
You have left me already. Wouldn't you like to sit with me now? Do you remember Mona? Since childhood to this day, we used to buy same things. The same clothes, the same things. And if that ever happened to us, we liked a same pair of dress, and if we don't get the same, so we used to leave it for each other. And if one has what the other does not have, we used to be happy about each other.
I remember the days when we both liked the same pair. It was so costly that we could have taken it together. Then we both saved the money and took the pair. Sometimes you wore it. Sometimes I wore it.
But the truth is, I selected that first.
But I put more money into it.
That was my mistake. Neither did I show you, nor did you like it, nor entitled to it.
At that time, you hadn't any problem with sharing. What happened?
I didn't have issues first. But now I have issues. What I used to like before, I hate that all now. I can't stand Mona. Unfaithfulness of my friend. My husband got away from me. Come closer to you. I will forget everything, Mona, and forgive you too. But please stay away from my husband. Forget about Shamir. Turn over Shamir towards my side. Don't take her away. I can't share Shamir. Nor I can live without Shamir. Mona, today I have come to take my property from you. The property I never gave to you. If you don't come into Shamir's life, so he never stopped loving me. Even now, he loved me like before. He never demanded me for children. But now, ever since you came into his life, he wants children. You know it's not in my control. I can't do this.
Azra, he is also a human being. He also has the same right over happiness. He loves you too. Why do you want to keep him deprived from the happiness of children?
You are also taking advantage of my compulsion.
No, Azra. I promise you. Even though Shamir is with me, he will still love you. I will not let any shortage. I will give you the children, you will be a mother. My children will call you Elder Mum.
I don't want this. I want to become a mother of my children.
I remember the day when we are both liked the same pair of dress. It was so costly that we could have taken it together. Even though Shamir is with me, will love you like before. I will give you children and you will become the mother. My children will call you Elder Mum.
सारे दुख मिटावा सारे जग नू तू छड़िया ते यार तू मेरी गलियां आईया रवे नाल तू मेरे में फेर भी कटा जुदाइयां हाँ मेरा बनाल तेरे ते हुन कदी ना जुदाइयां वे मेरा मुकोल पूछा मैं होर दुनिया दे क्यों आईया रवे नाल तू मेरे में फेर भी कटा जुदाइया हर रात में रो के अपनी आँखां सजाइया
Mrs. Azra Shamir. You have been married for 6 years. Until now, Dr. Famida was doing your checkup. By the way, your husband's report is normal. Have you come up with your husband? Why are you upset? Please relax. Who did you come with?
I didn't come with anyone. I came alone. Actually, a lot of people told me about you, so I came here on my own by looking for a way.
Okay.
People say you have a lot of healing in your hands. Whenever I go to the doctor, every doctor told me that there are complications, but the case is not so difficult. The only answer I got is waiting. But now I don't have much time. I have only 4 or 5 months. I want children. And if this will not happen, then my husband will remarry. Doctor, please take a look at my case. In such a big world, God could bestow me with a little baby.
I will do my best. I have seen your case. And have faith. Everything will be fine.
Abida Baji was saying that they wanted to come for the ceremony.
Are you hearing, Shanawaz?
Yes, do it. I gave you the money already.
Dear, the matter is not paused because of money, it is because of your wife.
Why are you waiting so impatiently for her? When I told you that she is dead for me.
Dear, we have to face the world as well. What will they say? Tell me. And the in-laws of daughter, they pretend to be sympathetic. And they discuss with other people while laughing. And now in front of strangers we can't tell the story of our sorrows. The same people will taunt your sister after that.
So what should I do? Grab her feet?
So bring the children. She will definitely come here then. Have mercy on her and will keep her.
Mum, children are so small. My work is not being done by anyone. Who will look after the children?
It won't take too long, dear. You will see. She will not live without children. She will come here.
Oh my Lord, fill my barren womb with your blessing.
Oh God. What happened, dear? Why did you take so long? Has he slept?
Yes, fell asleep. I don't know why he was not sleeping. Mom, I was thinking. A diamond ring would be too expensive.
Yes, it would be expensive, dear. But what should we do? We have to give it. Otherwise we would get embarrassed.
Dear Auntie.
Yes, dear.
I want to ask you something.
Yes, dear. Tell me what happened.
I came to say that I always tried to make you all happy. I don't remember even remembering that I ever have deliberately disturbed you. And if I did, so forgive me with open heart.
What are you doing, dear? Get up. Come on, get up.
No. No, say it first. That Azra, I forgave you. Your God is pleased with you.
Okay dear, I forgave you. Your God is pleased with you.
Thank you very much, Auntie. Thank you very much. Shahnawaz, bye. You forgive me too.
What have you done to me?
So please say that you forgive me. And your God is pleased with you.
Yes. I forgive you.
Abida, sister. Forgive me if I made any mistake.
I forgave you, sister. May your God forgive you too.
I never intentionally hurt anyone. But don't have any idea if I did unintentionally.
What can we say when my mother forgave you? Just take care of our mother.
I will do it. She is like my mother. Just say at once that Azra, I forgive you and your Lord is happy with you.
Well, okay, I forgive Azra. May your Lord be pleased with you.
Thank you, Abida's sister. Look, Hina. You are like my little sister. If something has ever gone wrong, please forgive me.
By the way, let me say one thing, sister-in-law. Hope you don't mind.
Yes, tell me.
Man should not be so cruel that his conscience kill him. Both of you together have done very bad to our widowed mum. Only we know that.
Don't say that, Hina. What have I done to you?
Come on. So you're asking from us. Well, we don't want to get into this debate. But God will do the justice.
I am scared of curse. Please don't curse me.
What nonsense is this, Hina? Azra never harmed anyone. She is already upset.
No, brother Shahnawaz, I want a sincere apology.
Go, I forgive you.
Thank you, Hina, thank you. Just pray that my Lord will be pleased with me, and bless me with children.
Daughters-in-law oppress their widow mother-in-law on the pretext of youth. But they forget that the God is merciful and will do justice. And his punishment is the most dangerous. Although God is witness that I never cursed my daughters-in-law till today. Nor am I one of those cruel mothers who is against the happiness of their daughters-in-law. May God guide you. May God bless you with children. May Allah help you. I forgive you.
Oh my Lord, have mercy on me. I don't know who I hurt. Forgive me as I'm your creation. Bless my womb.
Oh, oh,
You. Come inside.
Where are the kids?
The children are sleeping upstairs.
Shahnawaz dear.
Get up, here's your father. Let's go home.
Why are you picking up Shahnawaz?
Get up.
Why are you picking up Shahnawaz? Stop it, Muskan will do the packing.
There is no need of Muskan to do the packing. I am taking my children.
Shahnawaz, you will not do that.
You will live with your father.
Shahnawaz, stop. Calm down dear, please calm down. Things will not sort out like this.
Your daughter is not going to sort out anything. I don't want to leave my children with a selfish woman.
What are you doing?
I am taking my children.
How can you do that?
Why can't? I am a father. I am taking my children.
Give me his crime.
Stay away. Stay away from my children. Now I will teach you a lesson. Let me see how egoistic you are.
Shahnawaz, he is crying. Give him to her. Shahnawaz, he will not survive without her. Muskan. Muskan, stop him. Shahnawaz, she is crazy. I will explain her. Your house will be destroyed, go stop him. Shahnawaz. Shahnawaz dear, please stop it. Stop it Shahnawaz, for God's sake, stop, son. Shahnawaz. Shahnawaz, listen to me. Don't do that. I apologize. Don't take the children. She will not live without children. Forgive her. Muskan, go with him. Save your home from destroying. Children will not survive without you. Shahnawaz. Shahnawaz, take her with you. Children will not live without her. I apologize to you, she will go with you. Wait. Muskan. For God's sake, I put my hand in front of you. Go with Shahnawaz. Muskan. They are so small. Shahnawaz. Shahnawaz. Shahnawaz, son.
Fortunately, Abida is going to be a mother again. May Allah spend this time of my daughter in good health.
Amen.
Say 2 words of Ameen dear. What has my children done to you that your mood changed?
No, why would I want that? Many congratulations to you. I swear, I will be happiest of all. I pray to God, may Allah Almighty fill this house with children.
Amen. And anyway, in the house where there are children, prosperity flourishes there. Brother should have a daughter as well. A son and a daughter. Family complete.
I pray to my God to make my Shamir a father too and give him children.
Papa, I want to go to Mama.
She will come tomorrow.
Where is sister-in-law?
She is at her mum's place.
Hey brother. But why did you leave her there like that? This is wrong. Go and leave the children there.
Why did he leave? Are we dead that we don't look after the children? Come here my baby. Come here. Come here my son. Why are you crying here? Look grandmother, auntie, uncle. Everyone is here. Then what is the point of crying? Tell me.
I will leave this house until my mama will not come to the house.
Come here. Come on. Take it and eat this piece of meat. Take it. Eat it. Come on, eat this.
What do you think, dear? Come on, I will leave you. Like a looter, or snatching his children from his mother's lap. He can never be a mother. He will go to office and leave the children at home. And kids all day long will be hungry and thirsty and will be beaten up from the children of their aunts like orphans. Muna is still very young. I don't know what his condition will be. Don't know someone given him milk or not. Heaven is under the feet of the mother because of her difficult decisions. Otherwise, father also earn. But mother give herself her ego and her time to children. Today if you put your self-esteem aside and go back, so your husband will honor you very much. Children will be yours for the lifetime. Son Hunair is young but Shiraz is sensible and he needs you. Today, if you did not support him in difficult time, then he will hate you for the rest of his life. Obey me. Come on. Let me go with you. If the children spend even one night without you, so they get used to it. And after that, they will become quiet forever. Your husband will get into the habit of living without you.
No problem, Mom. Kids hasn't been taken away by a stranger. Their father has taken them. He snatched the children from me because he wanted me to suffer. Why does the father blackmail the mother only for the sake of children? Although they both love their children same, then why should the mother be humiliated by this relationship? I will not go. Being a mother is power, and love is weakness. On such occasions, you have to suffocate your love, so that no one humiliates the mother by considering her weak.
And if he said something, what honor would we have?
I'm more sorry for those 3 words which I said at the time of marriage. At that time, why didn't you tell me about this instead of this? You come to my ear and speak loudly, speaking loudly. Qari Sahibs cannot hear your voice.
Hey Muskan, why don't you understand it? He snatched the children. And what if our old sick woman died? You will be alone in this house. The world is very cruel, dear. Here, looking at a single woman, they become vultures. Vultures. They will eat you brutally.
Whatever you say. But listen to me carefully. I am not one of those women who is blackmailed in any way. As much as I have a right to children, he has the same. It's good thing that he took the kids. At least if the kids will stay with him. You will not taunt me for milk and diapers.
Papa hit Mama so she got angry and left the house.
Hey, show me your teeth. You have cavities in your teeth. Let's eat now, you talk a lot. Come on.
What he was saying?
Nothing. Just talking about his mom.
He was not talking. He was backbiting us.
There is no such thing, Hina.
And you're doing gossips about us.
I said, there is no such thing.
I was saying when my mama will come.
Neither your mama will not come, nor we will allow her to come.
Then I will go to my mother.
How will you go? How will you go? You will not go anywhere.
I will go, I will go, I will go, I will go.
I think I should teach you a lesson by locking you up in a storeroom.
What happened to you, Hina? He is away from his mother, that's why he's calling her.
He is not a child, he's a snake. His mother has trained him like that. One day he will harm us too.
What are you guys doing? What happened?
Mum. I have seen the real face of this child. This Shiraz was doing backbiting about us with Azra. And she was feeding him food.
Grandma, this fat girl was beating me up.
Who did you say fat to? Shut up. Get out of here. And you. Where is your behavior now? When you were apologizing from everyone for your mistakes. And where did we see brother-in-law coming? You start backbiting us. Brother-in-law did not come home yet that you took day. Children in your arms start gossips about us. Oh dear. Prayers are not accepted like that. You have to clean your heart first. By pretending to be a mother, no woman would become a mother. Whoever wants more than his mother should be called a witch. Look at this Hina. These children became more dear to her than us. And listen. And there is no need to feed with your own hands. He is quite big now. Put it in front. When he'll be hungry, he'll eat itself.
I will not eat.
So go and die hungry. Will not eat. And listen, go and take care of the little one. He's crying since morning and disturbed me a lot. No one in this house is in the habit of being so respectful. He will become habitual of this after some time. Understood? Oh God, what drama they created. Being a grandmother is also become a trouble for me.
And what is this drama? Go inside. He is exactly like his mother.
Shiraz. Why are you lying here?
The aunt beat me and locked me in the warehouse. Auntie locked me in the warehouse. The aunt had locked me in the warehouse.
Why do you stop talking in the middle? Tell me more. What happened to Aunt Fazilat?
Hey, I'm telling you, let me breathe. Fazilat auntie opened the door. With a sad face and heavy feet.
Why did you slap Shiraz?
What happened, son? What is the problem now? Tell me. Threats like the police come to mind.
Mum, wait a minute. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to Hina. You already know that he is crying for his mother. And you raised your hand.
She is older, his aunt. And the older ones always guide the little ones. Sometimes for love and sometimes raising a hand.
And if the parents of the children are not at home, so they threaten to lock them up in the warehouse.
Dear, a person gets tired of repeating the same thing over and over again. And then a person begins to bully.
You have pushed it. And the only aunt who loves him. You refuse to go with her.
Hey, listen to me. We are not here in court to justify your children. If their mother comes to them, then it's okay. Otherwise, after Hina's marriage said her 3 words, get rid of that unfortunate girl, and bring a new mother for the children. To destroy it little by little, it is better to kill them all at once. What do you say? What did I say that made him feel so bad? Of course, when their mother doesn't come to pick them up. So we shouldn't go together with the children either.
That's how it is. You've seen? Shiraz is like her mother. How he complained to his father against me. He is a whiner.
With each passing day it is more and more difficult to find you. Whenever you come, I am afraid that she will come here. I don't feel well and I can't stand this loneliness anymore.
I know she knows we're both involved. But she doesn't say anything. Maybe she knows. That's why she doesn't ask anything. You know I didn't give her money. She was persuading me that I have to go to the doctor, and then I don't know where she got the money from. And she started going to the doctor. Now take the medicine given as if it's a blessing.
If you say so, I will tell her about our marriage.
Why do you suddenly start talking childishly?
It's not about childish talk, it's about children. Aren't you afraid of her certainty? If she gets pregnant, then?
You think that hasn't happened in 6 years? It will happen now. Yesterday, the way she was looking at Anaya, I felt sorry for her.
So you're getting worried about her. Shamir, please. Can't you stay here with me?
Mona, it's only a matter of 2-3 months. Wait for that. Then we'll see. What is written for the three of us in this story?
May God bless you with a beautiful baby.
That? What did you say?
May God bless you with a beautiful baby.
Okay. When my baby is born, he will follow you.
I don't want him to follow me.
Good. When the baby will be born, then you will be his best friend. Are you hungry?
I'm going to eat fries.
Do you want fries? Come on, let's make French fries together. Can you help me?
I want to go with Mom. Mom will miss me.
Well, okay. I'll take you to Mom. Sister-in-law, please soften your heart once and come home with me. I know the brother Shah Nawaz. He's strict on the outside, but from inside, he longs for you.
And a wife's victory is only when her husband misses her. If she proves herself, then he will value her for a lifetime. Go, dear. Go with Azra.
I'm not going.
Sister-in-law, for the sake of your children. Come with me for the sake of your children. Without you, they are unhappy. They cannot live without you.
God himself will send him to me for their happiness.
Do you know what Aunt said? She was saying if you didn't come home. So, brother Shah Nawaz, she will make her second marriage.
Let him do. I don't mind.
Will you have another woman in his life?
I'm out of his life now.
There is still hope of a comeback.
It will end after his second marriage.
Will you endure?
I have to.
It will hurt a lot.
All the hardships I endured in that house. What about it?
Yeah. Feel like a sinner. He's going to die. Don't make life so difficult. Make things easy for you.
Now I have made the plan to improve my life.
But sister-in-law without a husband and children, how are you going to live your life?
It's not a life with that kind of husband.
Forgive all the sins of brother Shahnawaz. Only the reward of loyalty. Give it.
What kind of loyalty? You will see, Azra. What will the wedding dress look like for the second time, to please his mother and sisters?
Love is not found over and over again.
What kind of love? That he obeys everyone except me and leaves me whenever he wants. I don't care if this relationship breaks today or tomorrow. At any cost. I would not kneel before his mother and sisters. Even if he tests my love. My motherhood.
I'm sure this girl will destroy her home.
Where does this stimulus come from?
Being emotionless. The cold blood. Or without mercy. By standing on it.
My whole being seems to have stopped. Where do I start to crush it?
Why do you need to smash? Shamir brother loves you very much. How anxious he was to marry you. Not like me. From the choice of mothers and sisters. And loves me as given in charity.
Shamir's wish is about to end. Like a dying patient.
What do you mean?
Do you know what he said? If I don't have children in the next few months, he will marry another.
Shamir said that.
Shamir. Because can't be unfaithful.
You still have time, dear. Maybe God will grant you a son. And may your child's wish come true. You will escape the pain of the co-wife. Not even 1% of what is expected. Although it is only 1%, there is still hope. God Almighty, change the game in moments. When a point can change into human form. So why can't 1% be 100%?
Azra, does he like some girl?
When you will hear another girl's name, then you will not be able to trust the word humanity.
Who is she?
Mona.
But she used to be your friend.
Yeah.
What are you eating? I don't understand. Where did this Azra take the children?
Maybe she. He took the children to their mother.
It's true.
What happened to you, Mom? She will never do that. She knows well that she has no one in this world but you. And she's not dumb enough to ruin his relationship with us. By the way, you are very innocent. If there is any other mother-in-law instead of you, she had blackmailed her enough to give her a lesson.
She's already on my knees. My conscience won't allow me to hurt her anymore.
Sit down, please.
Here I am upset and you are persuading me to sit down.
By the way, Mum. Muskan has not come.
I think Shahnawaz should leave the children to her. She is such a smart and stubborn woman. She won't come. Instead, she dumped the responsibility of the kids and enjoying her life freely.
And my in-laws?
She keeps thinking about her in-laws. This is how we will explain. We will say, she was involved with someone else. Our brother caught her, and when he asked her why she got angry. By the way,
it is a good idea.
Oh, how many times will we cover this matter? So you forced them to meet with their mother?
No, Aunt. I took them to the mall with me. They were getting very bored.
Oh really? We heard that. You have taken them to their mother.
There is no such thing.
Are you telling us the truth?
Yes, I am telling you the truth. There's no such thing.
Oh really?
Oh my gosh, Hina. When he says he didn't take them to his mother, she took them to the mall. You keep asking one thing over and over again. Azra, my dear sister, I have a bad headache. Please bring me some good tea and bring me chili pakoras too.
I will bring it now. Dear Aunt.
Hey dear, what are you doing? I'm not used to children. And anyway, this guy, he started complaining to his father that Grandma won't let me stay with Aunt. Lay her down somewhere.
Of course. Let's go.
Oh God. She has a high fever from having children.
It won't go away that easily.
Dad?
Yes, my son.
I can tell you something.
Yes, tell me.
We went to Mom.
Well then. When you were there. What did you do? Did you miss me?
Yeah. I prayed.
Did you used to pray? Why did you pray?
May my mom and dad stay together.
Let's go. Let's go bring back Mum. Come on, get up. Let's go. Azra. Bring my little baby. I'm taking them to their mother.
Of course.
Let's go. Let's go.
Come on, son. Sit down. Let me hug him. Come here, baby. Sit down, son. My Shahnawaz, fights take place in every house. I explained so much. You also have to be a little more flexible. The fights are
Shiraz.
Let's go, Muskan. Pack your things and go with Shahnawaz.
If I wanted to go, I would have left the day. He kidnapped my children.
I am their father.
That's why you snatched the children from the mother's lap, like the kidnappers. To assert your ego and stubbornness. Who gave you the right to take the children?
My religion.
Don't hide your mistake in the name of religion. Religion commands you to take responsibility. You snatched my innocent breastfed babies from my lap, so I follow you and beg you. A kidnapper is better than that kind of father.
Son. She's used to using the language. Think of your children. There is nothing in all these things. He came here for his children.
Surely people would have gossiped about them. And his mother wants to marry her daughter. So to be good, they must have ordered me to bring children.
Are you coming with me or not?
Yes. She will go with you. Go to him, Muskan. I will go to Shah Nawaz with your luggage.
I don't want to go anywhere.
Because you do not want to go?
What do you want? Divorce?
No, no, Shahnawaz. Never utter such a dirty word, son. Muskan. Now if you'll say a word. So I'll slap you across the face.
No, no. Let her talk. Let's find out today what she wants.
At first I just wanted respect. But after the act of snatching the children, I have come to this conclusion. You can't honor me while you live with these people. That's why I need a separate house.
So you want me to leave my mother and sister for you?
I only ask for my house.
They are my responsibility.
This is my right. It is not obligatory for the husband to humiliate his wife for his mother and sister. Let it work like the shredder bull. And after humiliating he receives rewards. I have strengthened my heart. You can also take the kids if you want. But if you want to take me, so I need a separate roof.
I am not one of those children who were blackmailed by their wives and leave mother.
Well, that's good. Every time the wife asks for her right, chalk it up with a disobedience. Otherwise, when did I tell you to leave your family? You can come to them. Take care of them. How do you care about them now? Give me a separate house. And if you don't want to stay with me, that's fine too. But sometimes you can come. But now I don't want to be humiliated by them anymore. I can't give you a good son certificate.
You've lost your mind. I have made a mistake. I was wrong to come here and convince you.
Shah Nawaz. Shahnawaz. Now you are wrong.
Why, Mom? If he can abuse the authority that the Lord has given him, and take my children from me, and I can't even claim my rightful right. He is my husband. And he should respect me. It's my right. And give me a roof.
निकलिया बेवफा तू अखा किसी होर नाल